call you are the queen. Hata sijui mbona unajishuku.
Hi everyone, it's 1st of December. I'll be vlogging each and every day. It's called VLOGMAS, right? So that's what I'll be doing. I've just woken up. I want to wash my dishes. I haven't washed my dishes since yesterday night, so that's what I'm going to be doing. From there, I'll just go take a shower, and I want to go to a local grocery market to buy some groceries for the week. I usually buy my groceries to last me for a whole week, so that's what I'm going to be doing. I hope you will stay tuned. Enjoy the whole video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, so that you can see everything all through the whole vlogmas period. It's a festival period, so it's a good time to stay around and just see everything for yourself. I'm super excited for this. I haven't done vlogmas this is my first time doing vlogmas. I hope it turns out great and I'll be able to keep up with everything. went. This wig is such. Let me remove this wig. It's a headband wig. So yeah, I just want to start packing these things up, then I'll make my lunch. I didn't take breakfast in the morning, so I have to make my lunch real quick. I'm super hungry, so let's pack up then continue.